Keep your kitchen odor-free and your stovetop clean with this Farberware professional odor-proof splatter screen. The odor screen features activated carbon filters that absorb odors while cooking. The odor screen's design absorbs odors, but lets steam pass through. Keep your kitchen odor-free and your stovetop clean with this Farberware professional odor-proof splatter screen. The odor screen features activated carbon filters that absorb odors while cooking. The odor screen's design absorbs odors, but lets steam pass through. The screen protects stovetops and countertops from unsightly splatters. The screen boasts an easy grip handle for ease of use. This product is completely dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Top reviews from the United States. Seems to work to reduce kitchen odor when frying fish. I have used this twice in past week as a cover to skillet when frying fish. Both times noticing how much more reduced the smell of cooking odor wafting from kitchen into dining room, hall and living room. After searching web for something called an odorless skillet, decided to try first this flat device. Glad I did, as it works well enough. Even when holding nose close above this lid to smell the steam coming through, it seems not as smelly. Good enough, and intend to keep using it. To clean it, I use a wide brush dipped in soapy water to gently scrub both sides, then put on a hook on patio to dry in sun.